Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1998/1999 Mac the Cardinal Plush, the Redbird plush. Without further ado, let's go on to the review. There he is like this. Here's his hang tag. Pretty cool. Let me just shut you guys down and let me show you what the hang tag is. Alright, there it is. Here we go. Alright, here we go. The Beanie Babies Collection, Mac. Date of birth, June 10th, 1998. Mac tries hard to provide. He's the best. Swinging his bat harder than the rest. Breaking records, enjoying the game. Hitting home runs is his claim to fame. So yeah, I'm guessing he's like a so I'm guessing there's like this guy, I'm not too mistaken, that in the Cardinals game, I'm guessing, I think his name was like Mac or something. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below what it's about. So here he is. There he's like this. And the back. And this side. And there's the hair. There's the eyes. There's the stuffed plush. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here's the tush tag. Pretty nice. Here's the back. Copyright 1999. Tie ink. PE pellets. Pretty cool. There's his eyes. The plastic. There's the red beak. There's the crazy hair up top. It's so smooth. Oh, hey, you can do them like, you can let them do it like that. That's pretty cool. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Here's the tail. Here's the wings. Pretty cool wings. Here's the feet. Here's the tail. Pretty cool tail. And he's Beanie. There's his face. Love it. Pretty nice. The feet, you can barely see them. They're there though. Here's the fur. It's pretty cool. Well, the feather. The fabric of it. Pretty cool. There's the black right there. And pretty cool. Look at that hair. Does that hair look familiar to you? Look at that. Pretty cool. And that's it. Alright guys. That's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 1999 or 1998 Mac the Cardinal plush. Alright guys, bye.